Hello friends, today I am showing you how to edit PDF and convert PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint. One second. So I start today's videos. First of all, open Chrome and type lightpdf.com. Enter and you can see many options: PDF to Word, PDF and PDF to JPG, Word to PDF, then watermark in PDF, etc. etc. So I use PDF to Word. Click here and choose the file. This is my PDF. So select and open. You can see this converting. You can see and click convert. Processing 3% and 5% and 6%. So you can see convert is successfully. So now download of it. And you can see my file is downloaded. So open the file. You can see my file is open. Then I can edit everything. You can see. Okay. And I open my PDF file. This is my PDF file. And I open. You can see my file is open, but I can't edit this file. I can't edit it. Okay. This website is very useful, free of cost, and you can use this website and edit the PDF and merge the PDF and watermark in PDF. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel.